are 3 friends that you need to make at work and 1 you need to avoid like the plague. If you are ready to find out who they are, tap that like button and let's just jump straight into it. The first friend that you need to make at work is obvious, and that is your career bestie. This is the friend at work that you trust. This is the friend at work who is an actual real life friend that even when you don't work together, you are going to stay the best of friends. Work can be incredibly stressful, from the actual doing the job stuff to navigating the politics, dealing with bad bosses, dealing with gossip in the office, all of that kind of thing. And your career bestie is going to be someone that helps you get through it. They can be your confidant who knows exactly what you're going through. They can be your sounding board when you need it. And they can even be the person who talks you off the cliff in the middle of the day during a coffee break when you need it. And while I generally think that coworkers are not your friends and that most of the friends that you meet at work are really situational, they probably won't be your friends for life, your career bestie is going to be someone that you stay in touch with and really enjoy their friendship for a long amount of time. The next friend that you need at work is your career crush. Now, this doesn't need to be someone that you have like an actual romantic crush on. It's the career that you aspire to have, but it's embodied by a person. This can be one person, it can be multiple people. And the great news with your career crush is it doesn't even need to be someone that you personally know. It can be someone that you know on LinkedIn or on YouTube, like myself. Or it could be someone that you actually have encountered and you get to work directly with. In my opinion, having a career crush is really important. Not only is it going to show you that what you want to achieve in your career is possible because this person has achieved those things, but they're also going to be people that you can emulate and admire to help you find your path to reach the same level of career success. I'd love to hear, do you already have a career crush? Let me know in the comments who it is. And this leads me to the third friend at work that you must have, and that is your career competitor. Now, I know competition has a negative connotation, but remember that competition is also a great motivator that can help push you towards your greatness. You might already have a career competitor. They're the person who's at a similar level to you, has similar levels of ambition, maybe even a little bit more. And when you look at them succeeding, it really motivates you to go out and be successful too, either because you want to keep pace or you want to outrank them. Of course, we want to keep this on the healthy side of things and we don't want to like detest our career competitor or anything like that. Hopefully this is also one of our friends at work. This might even be someone on your team that you have a little bit of a career crush on because they're doing so good at a particular thing. And ultimately, having a positive professional relationship with your career competitor where you're both inspiring and motivating each other through that healthy sense of competition can be something that really helps you both up-level and accelerate your careers. And this leads me, of course, to the friend at work that you don't want. Because this work friend is not a friend at all. And this person is the sole reason why my video, Coworkers Are Not Your Friends, is the top video on my channel. And that is the career worsty. They are the exact opposite of your career bestie. They're going to get in your way. They're going to be vicious. They're throwing you under the bus. Your career worsty does not want the best for you. Your career worsty wants to drag you down to their miserable, awful level. I hope that you don't have a career worsty, but it might not be totally up to you if you do, because let's face it, it's really up to them. If you are dealing with a career worsty, the most important thing that you can do is make sure that you're maintaining professional boundaries so that all of the kind of toxic coworker behavior that usually comes along with having a career worsty is really mitigated and minimized as much as possible. And that brings me actually into a bonus tip for you that I have this video. For the friends at work that we want to cultivate, you might be wondering, where can I find them? Where can I start building those relationships? Now, some of these career friends are going to be within your company. Like your career bestie is probably someone that you work with, but your career competitor might be a personal friend or a friend from college. And your career crush can be anyone. But if you do want to cultivate a personal connection with any of these friends at work that you need to have, you need my non-gross guide to networking. Go and check it out right here, right now. And I'm gonna walk you through the steps of how you can actually find these people and start to engage with them. If this video helped you figure out what friends you need at work and which friends to avoid, let me know by giving it a like, and that really does help my channel. Consider subscribing while you're down there if you haven't already. And my friend, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.